Hi, my name is Sophia. What's your name?
Hello, Sophia. My name is Michael. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Michael. How are you today?
I'm doing very well, thank you. And you?
I'm good, but a little tired because I worked all day.
Oh, really? What do you do for work?
I work in a clothing store. I help customers and organize the clothes. What about you?
I'm a student at the university and I also work part-time at a coffee shop.
That sounds busy. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I like talking to people and making coffee. Sometimes it's stressful, but it's fun too.
What kind of coffee do you like the most?
I usually drink cappuccino or iced coffee. And you?
I love hot chocolate more than coffee.
Hot chocolate is great, especially when the weather is cold.
Yes, but where I live, the weather is usually very hot.
Really? Where are you from?
I'm from the Dominican Republic. What about you?
I'm from Canada. Winters there are very cold and snowy.
Wow, I would love to see snow one day.
It's beautiful, but sometimes it's difficult because the roads get icy.
I understand. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy playing soccer, listening to music, and watching movies.
Nice. I like music too. What kind of music do you listen to?
Mostly pop and rock music. My favorite singer is Ed Sheeran.
Oh, I know him. I like Latin music and reggaeton.
That's cool. Do you dance too?
Yes, I love dancing with my friends on weekends.
I'm not a very good dancer, but I try sometimes.
Don't worry, practice makes perfect.
That's true. By the way, why are you learning English?
Because I want to travel and get a better job in the future. And you?
I'm learning Spanish because many of my friends speak it, and
That's awesome. Maybe we can help each other practice.
great idea. We can speak English one day and Spanish the next day.
Perfect. I think that will help us improve faster.
I agree. Learning languages can be difficult, but it's also exciting.
Exactly. The important thing is to never give up.
Well said, Sophia. It was very nice talking to you today.
It was nice talking to you too, Michael. Have a wonderful day.
You too. See you next time.
Goodbye.